Hey guys, welcome back to FixinFrenzy. Today I will be reviewing this Grout tile marker purchased on harryjean.com. It was an ad that popped up on my Instagram feed. I was like, let me give that a try. So there are a few little areas. It says shake it, shake it, shake it. Kind of scared. Let's just see what it looks like. Oh, press the nib. What the fudge is a nib? Like that. I'm gonna try to concentrate on this line right here for now. Okay, so the more I press it, the more the stuff starts to come out. Oh, look. Maybe do it several times. That looks good though, dude. Now we're working on this line. If I do it like that, it actually fills it in. But then it doesn't look so great. Ooh, then you can clean it a little. It actually filled in the gap though. Cool. Okay, so the line that we did was right about right here. Just from here and here. So if you're gonna stand here, take your time to do like all of them, it's gonna eventually look okay, but definitely not a permanent fix. Overall, this product did not do a great job. Definitely not a permanent fix. It's not that easy to use. You have to keep pressing on it really hard in order for anything to come out. It actually looks really good though. It did actually fill in some of the gaps. So temporary fix, maybe. Thank you for watching. Next time I will find something better.
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit that subscribe.